YouTubes, it's Dynamic Response here. This is our very first YouTube video, so please be kind. Obviously I'm hoping my videoing techniques and methodology, that kind of thing, will get better as we go along. But essentially I just want to do a brief introduction to the company. We have a noise and vibration side, and we also have a diagnostics and tuning side. Both completely different trades. One is acoustics related and one is automotive. This channel will be based on the diagnostics and tuning side, but we do have a sister page which we'll start putting content on soon. Right, so what do we do? On the diagnostics and tuning side, as you can kind of see from our company vehicle here, we're ECU tuning and remap specialists. We are a Celtic Tuning dealer, so we have all the support of Celtic Tuning should anything inadvertently go wrong or if we need additional support above and beyond. Obviously we do things such as ECU remaps, we do DPF cleans and diagnostic work, we can look at TPMS sensors, Adblue systems, EGR systems, all kind of in a diagnostic capacity. But in terms of ECU remapping, we can look at things such as stage 1 maps, we can look at DSG tuning to raise the torque limits of the torque converters. Pretty much anything that you need in terms of ECU remapping, we can pretty much sort you out. So yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Apologies for the videoing again, and we'll try and get this better each time we do a video. Okay, so let's go inside and we can talk a little bit further. Right, well, just in our small waiting room. As you can see, dynamic response, a few little rules that we ask you to adhere to, such as no smoking. Beware of the dog. That's probably more of a comedy value, but we do have a dog on site. He's very, very friendly, but there's always that exception. Whilst you're here having some diagnostic work or remapping done, depending on what you're having done, we have a small customer waiting area with a nice comfy sofa, but apart from that, pretty much self-explanatory. Moving outside, where are we located? We get this quite a lot. So we're on Pitt Street in Keighley. If you find Great Street or Pitt Street, then you pretty much found us. Sometimes it takes you to the end of the road for Devonshire Works, and if you've gone down this way towards the railway station in the bottom, then you've gone a little bit too far. If you get to that bridge, turn round, you've missed us. Anyway, I think that's probably as much of us doing this introduction, so that's what we do. You can see there are our contact details: ECU remapping, diagnostics, tuning, DPF, diagnostics, Adblue, TPMS, airbags, brakes, the whole works. Okay, I'll post the next video and we'll go from there. Bear with.